To set screen reader element description order in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the off screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap screen reader, and then tap settings. Select verbosity, scroll down, and then tap element description order. Select option you want, state name type, type name state, name type state. Type name state, name state.
Voice assistant on. Screen read. Settings. Double tap to activate. Settings. Showing items 1 to 11 of 23. Showing items 5 to 16 of 23. Showing items 1 to 12 of 23. Verbosity. Showing items 1 to 10 of 15. Showing items 4 to 14 of 15. Pop-up window. Showing items 1 to 3 of 3. Verbosity. Pop-up window. Showing items 1 to 3 of 3. Verbosity. Pop-up window. Showing items 1 to 3 of 3. Verbosity. Settings. Screen reader. Turn off voice assistant off.
Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.